In today's video, we will listen to a conversation between Sarah and Lily at the park. You'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Listen carefully.
Sarah, is that you?
Lily? Oh my goodness, it's really you, I can't believe it.
I know, right? It's been so long, how have you been?
I've been good, busy with school and everything. What about you?
Same here. I've been studying hard, but I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Lily. Remember when we used to play in the park every weekend?
How could I forget? We had so much fun playing hide and seek and eating ice cream.
Yes, and that one time when we built the biggest sandcastle at the beach? I still have the picture we took with it. Those were the days.
Oh, that was the best. We worked so hard on it. I think it was the biggest one anyone had ever seen. We should do that again sometime. I miss hanging out with you.
I'd love that. We can plan a weekend and do all the fun things we used to do.
Definitely. How about this Saturday? We could go to the park and have a picnic, just like old times.
That sounds perfect. We can bring sandwiches, fruit, and maybe some cookies.
And don't forget the juice. I remember you always loved orange juice.
Yes, it's still my favorite. I'm so excited. It's going to be just like old times.
I can't wait. It'll be so nice to catch up and spend time together again.
Yes, and we can talk about everything that's happened since we last saw each other.
There's so much to tell. We'll need the whole day.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm so glad we ran into each other today.
Me too. It's like fate brought us back together.
It sure feels that way. I'm so happy, Lily. We're going to have the best time.
Absolutely. Friends forever, right?
Friends forever.
See you on Saturday then?
Yes, see you on Saturday.